blows my mind.
Guys, blows my mind.
Blow my mind. Blow my mind. បើសិនជាអ្វីមួយ blow mind របស់យើងនោះមានន័យថាអ្វីនោះធ្វើឲ្យយើងភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលរំភើបស្ងើចសរសើរឬចាប់អារម្មណ៍លើវាខ្លាំងដោយសារវាជារឿងមិនធម្មតាឬរឿងអស្ចារ្យឧទាហរណ៍ The fact that he can pull any beautiful girls he wants blows my mind. The fact that he can pull any beautiful girls he wants blows my mind. មានន័យថាការដែលគាត់អាចញែបានមនុស្សស្រីស្អាតៗណាក៏ដោយដែលគាត់ចង់បានធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលឬស្ងើចសរសើរខ្លាំងមកឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត What blew my mind was how she passed all the subjects without preparing for the exam. What blew my mind was how she passed all the subjects without preparing for the exam. មានន័យថាអ្វីដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលឬស្ងើចសរសើរខ្លាំងនោះគឺរបៀបដែលនាងបានប្រឡងជាប់ក្រុមមុខវិជ្ជាទាំងអស់ដោយមិនបានមានការត្រៀមសម្រាប់ការប្រឡង
Always blows my mind.
Blow your minds.
Doesn't that blow your mind?
What blows my mind? Wow, you blow my mind.
This is blowing my mind.
Always blows my mind.
Doesn't that blow your mind?
It's blowing my mind.
Boy, did that blow my mind.
Blow my mind, Blakey.
Blow my tiny mind.
Yeah, blow my mind.
Blows my mind.
That blows my mind.